Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to zoom in on YouTube videos. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, you guys must have to update your YouTube application because YouTube has new built-in feature to zoom in YouTube videos. So you guys must have to update your YouTube application. After updating the YouTube application, now you guys have to just simply open up YouTube app. So after opening up YouTube app, you guys have to simply open up the video which you want to watch and zoom in. So I'm selecting this one. So after opening up the video on the YouTube, you guys have to simply open up the video on full screen. So in order to open up the full screen, you guys have to just simply click on the rectangular icon or square icon. So after clicking on that, your video will be on full screen. Now you guys have to simply pinch to zoom. So I'm pinching like this. Now you guys can see it is zooming, and you can zoom 8 times maximum. So in order to go back, you guys can pinch out to zoom out and pinch in to zoom in, and maximum you guys can zoom to 8x. So after tapping on this, you guys can also reset to 1x. So in this way you guys can zoom in on YouTube videos. I hope these methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.